Hello, my friends, and welcome to Learn English with Listening. I'm Emma, your host, and I'm thrilled you're joining me today. In this episode, we're diving into the topic of motivation in language learning, how to stay focused, keep pushing forward, and enjoy the journey of learning English, even when it feels challenging. I'll speak slowly, using clear and simple words, repeating key ideas to help you understand. You can listen, repeat, and practice speaking along with me. This technique is called shadowing. You listen to my words and repeat them right after me. Ready? Take a deep breath, relax, and let's get started. The journey of learning English. Learning English can feel like a big adventure. Sometimes it's exciting and sometimes it's tough. That's okay. It's normal to feel tired or frustrated at times. Everyone who learns a new language needs time. Time to listen, time to speak, time to understand, and time to grow. Some days, you'll feel like you're making huge progress. Other days, it might feel slow or hard. That's all part of the process. On the good days, celebrate your progress. On the tough days, just keep moving forward, even if it's a tiny step. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to know every word or speak fluently right away. What matters is that you keep trying, step by step. You're doing something amazing by learning a new language, and you're doing it well. Think of learning English like hiking up a hill. Sometimes the path is smooth and easy. Other times it's steep and rocky. There might be moments when you want to stop and rest, and that's okay. But when you pause and look back, you'll see how far you've come. You've learned new words, you've practiced speaking, you've understood a little more each day. You're not at the starting point anymore. You're moving upward, getting stronger with every step. Don't give up. Some people learn quickly and others take more time. But everyone needs one thing: motivation. Motivation isn't always loud or exciting. Sometimes it's a quiet voice inside you that says, "Keep going. Try again." Even if you only study for 1 minute, that's enough. If you feel tired, take a break. If you feel confused, take a moment to breathe. You don't need a perfect plan. Just keep coming back to your practice. Ask yourself, why am I learning English? Maybe it's for a job opportunity. Maybe it's to travel to places like Canada, Australia, or the United Kingdom. Maybe it's just because you love learning. Your reason is powerful. It's what keeps you motivated. Write it down. Say it out loud. Keep it in your heart. Every time you practice, even for a few minutes, you're moving closer to your goal. Be proud of yourself. You're doing something brave. Tips to stay motivated. Let's talk about how to stay motivated, especially on days when you feel tired, busy, or stressed. It's normal to have days when you think, "I don't want to study today." Your brain needs rest, just like your body does. But even on those tough days, you can keep going. Here are 5 practical tips to help you stay motivated. Tip 1. Start small. You don't need to study for hours or do a big lesson every day. Just do one small thing. Listen to an English song for 5 minutes. Read one sentence. Repeat one phrase out loud. Even a tiny effort is better than nothing. Learning English is about consistency. Doing a little bit, again and again, adds up over time. Tip 2. Remember your why. Why are you learning English? Is it to get a better job in a city like London or New York? Is it to study at a university in Singapore or Ireland? Is it to chat with friends from around the world? On tough days, remind yourself of your reason. Write it on a piece of paper and keep it where you can see it. Your why is like fuel. It gives you energy to keep going. Tip 3. Make it easy. Don't wait for the perfect moment to study. You don't need complete silence or endless energy. Make English part of your daily life. Keep an English book on your table. Save a short video on your phone. Set a timer for 10 minutes and start. The goal isn't to be perfect, it's to begin. Once you start, it's easier to keep going. Tip 4. Be kind to yourself. Don't say, "I'm not good at English," or "I'm too slow." Instead, say, "I'm learning, I'm trying, I'm doing my best." Learning a language is hard, and you're doing something incredible. Treat yourself with kindness, just like you would treat a friend. You deserve it. Tip 5. Celebrate small wins. Every step forward counts. Did you understand a sentence today? That's a win. Did you learn one new word? That's a win too. Did you try speaking even for a moment? That's a win too. Notice these small victories and feel proud. They're proof that you're growing. Seeing your progress. Sometimes it's hard to feel like you're improving. You study, you factors. You might feel like you're not getting better, but you are. Here are some ways to see and feel your progress. 1. Keep a learning journal. Get a small notebook and write down what you learn each day. It could be a new word, a sentence you practiced, or something you understood. For example, today I learned the word confident. I watched a short video in English. In a week or a month, look back at your notes. You'll be amazed at how much you've learned. Things that felt hard before will start to feel easier. That's progress. 2. Record your voice. Use your phone to record yourself speaking English. Say something simple, like, "Hi, I'm Maria. I live in Brazil. I'm learning English to travel to New Zealand." Record the same sentences again a week later and compare. You'll hear your pronunciation improve and your confidence grow. This makes your progress real and exciting. 3. Notice small moments. Progress isn't always about big achievements like passing a test. Sometimes it's the little things, like understanding a line in a movie without subtitles, or saying a sentence without thinking too hard. These moments are quiet but powerful. They show you're improving, even if it's slow. 4. Look back. Instead of focusing on what you can't do yet, think about what you couldn't do a month ago. Could you understand this podcast a few weeks ago? Could you write a short paragraph in English? Looking back helps you see how far you've come. Slow progress is still progress. Enjoying the journey. Learning English is a journey, not a competition. You don't need to be the fastest or the best. You just need to keep moving forward, step by step. There's joy in this process, even when it's slow or challenging. The joy comes from small wins, like understanding a song lyric, having a short conversation, or remembering a word you learned. These moments feel good and they matter. Many learners worry about making mistakes. They think, "Emma, I'm scared to speak because I might say something wrong." But mistakes are how you learn. Think of a child learning to ride a bike. They fall, but they try again. Nobody says, "Stop trying." We say, "Keep going." It's the same with English. It's okay to make mistakes. It's okay to forget a word or get corrected. That's how you grow. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes. You don't always have to study in a serious way. Make learning fun. Listen to English music you love. Watch funny videos on your phone. Read a blog about something you enjoy, like sports or cooking. Talk to yourself in English while you're getting ready in the morning. When learning feels like play, not work, you'll want to do it more. And when you enjoy it, your brain remembers better. English opens doors. English is more than just a language. It's a tool that can change your life. When you speak English, you can connect with people from places like South Africa, India, or Ireland. You can make friends online, understand movies and books, or follow global news. English lets you join conversations and be part of the world. Over 1.5 billion people speak English. That means when you learn English, you're never alone. You can connect with someone in Japan, Nigeria, or Argentina. English gives you freedom. Maybe you dream of working in a city like Dubai or studying in Australia. Maybe you want to travel to New Zealand or Canada. English makes those dreams possible. It helps you apply for jobs, understand websites and tools, and feel confident in new places. Even in your own country, English is useful. Many companies want employees who speak English. More technology and information use English every day. Learning English gives you more choices and opportunities to build the life you want. Final thoughts. You've made it to the end of this episode. Well done. You gave your time and energy to something important, yourself. Today, we talked about staying motivated, seeing your progress, enjoying the journey, and how English can open new doors. I want you to know this. I'm proud of you. You're doing something challenging, and you're doing it with courage. It doesn't matter if you speak slowly or make mistakes. What matters is that you're trying. You're growing every day, even if it's just a little. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. You're not just learning a language, you're building a skill that can change your future. I'm Emma, and this is Learn English with Listening. Thank you for being here. Keep practicing, stay patient, and be kind to yourself. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.